Did you say what you mean?
What up, YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sherry. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are doing well, and I hope that everything is wonderful in your world. Today I have for you another Lash Stash mini lash review, false lash review. And today I am going to be doing a little demo and mini review for you on the AOA Studio NATALIA lashes. This is what they look like. They are extremely wispy, but they've got a whole bunch of different lengths, and I just thought they were very interesting. I also saw that they have a very almost invisible band, and I thought that these would be familiar and easy to use and easy to apply. So I have been creating this eye look as part of another video, and so I decided I was going to go ahead and do this little mini review. That's why my hair looks crazy, and I'll be fixing that before this is all said and done. But I wanted to go ahead and put these on for you, and we'll just give them a roll and see what they look like. So I'll be back with the demo.
Don't be embarrassed now, baby. I feel it too. I know this feeling's are new. Oh baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do, and I love you too. It's too late 'cause you said it. I hope you meant it. Don't be embarrassed now, baby. It ain't just you. Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, oh, oh. I feel it too. Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, oh. I know this feeling's are new. Oh, baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do, and I love you too. Ooh, oh, oh, ooh, yeah, yeah. I feel it too. I feel it. I feel it. I know this feeling's are new. Oh, baby, even though I'm playing it cool, here's the truth. I feel how you do, and I love you too.
Cold sweats in the middle of the night, and flashbacks of you and I in your sweats. How'd you make me feel so nice? Now I'm starting to see this new guy, but it just don't feel right, even though he might be. And you're so bad for me, but I want your love every morning, waking up with him.
Okay guys, we are all applied, and I fixed my eyeliner, and so now I just want to give you an up close and personal of the lashes. I'm going to come in as close as I can here and just give you a couple different views of them.
Putting glitter on my blind eyes. Loving you wasn't as it seemed, and finding good and right and ugly. Deep down knowing you don't love me, I'd live again before the morning. Loving you was a fever dream.
Alright guys, here is my opinion of these lashes. They're very beautiful. They're a little bit weird, and that's what I have found with a lot of AOA or Shop Miss A lashes, is that there's a weird cut, and sometimes there's like one little funky one sticking out, and I kind of feel like I see those kind of funky ones sticking out. But these lashes, the NATALIA lashes, kind of lend to that kind of style, and so it looks like it's supposed to be all scraggly. I think that these would look good with more edgy looks. Again, like the last review I did, you can see through the lash to see the colors of the eye makeup, and so it doesn't block any of your eyeshadow. But I love them because they're super wispy, and I love wispy. I also love the fact that they're tapered on the inner corner just a little bit, and they fan out. I had to cut quite a bit off because they were really long, and so I think I lost a little bit of the outer flare, but it still graduates out to a longer length and gives a cat eye effect, and I really do love that. I don't think these would be a good lash for like a wedding look or for like a prom if you're wearing a really formal dress. I think that they're just a little bit too inconsistent for something like that. So that doesn't mean I don't like them. I have a little bit of an edgier look on today, so for me, I think these worked out really well for this eye look, but they're very nice. They're $1. I do think the band is excellent. It reminds me of my Christina Lash band or Demi Wispies by Ardell or Salon Perfect, because it's almost invisible, so it's really user friendly for beginners and very flexible, easy to disguise, and I think they would be very conducive to wearing without eyeliner if you were really good at doing that, which I'm not. But I give these, I would say, an 8 out of 10 on a scale from 1 to 10, because the two lashes were not exactly the same, which when I'm buying a pair of false lashes, the purpose of a false lash is to kind of have consistency on both sides, both lashes looking the same on each eye, and they are a little bit different, but the style of these lends to it not being that big of a deal because they're so scraggly and different. But if I was wearing these with a formal look, I think it would look wrong. I think it would look unpolished. I'll put it that way. But an 8 out of 10, just because of the inconsistencies, I do think they're worth the money. I do think they are user friendly. And now I'm going to do my glasses test to see if they are eyeglass wearer friendly. I am wearing my normal glasses that I ordinarily wear today. I do have another pair, and I usually have trouble with lashes when I'm wearing these, so I'm going to put these on too and see if they touch the lens on these. These are so dirty, they've been sitting on my vanity. But no, they do not. So they are eyeglass wearer friendly, at least for me. They don't touch my glasses, they don't get stuck, so that's awesome too. So thank you so much for joining me today. I again did this little demo and review for you so that if you are looking for a pair of lashes to match a certain look, or you're just in the market to buy some new falsies, that you maybe would run across these when you're doing a Shop Ms. A haul. And like I said, I think they're worth $1 and some change. I'd give them an 8 out of 10. Pretty good. I would reserve them for a more eclectic or an edgier look. I wouldn't choose these for a wedding or a formal look. They are eyeglass wearer friendly. They are beginner and user friendly as far as application is concerned, and I will leave the information down below for you if you would like to go purchase a pair of these. But thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate it so much. I hope you enjoyed another one of my little lash stash videos. I like to do these because I never know what I'm gonna get when I grab a pair of lashes, and so it's nice to see somebody show me what they look like on their eyes. I haven't seen many videos like that, and so I decided I was gonna be the one to do that for you. So if you did enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, down in the comment section, leave me an opinion. What do you think of these? On a scale of 1 to 10, what do you think of these? And as far as your style and your preferences are concerned, I would love to hear your opinion as well. Again, please leave me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit that cute little notification bell so that you won't miss any of my future uploads. And until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope that everything is and I But thank you again for being here. Until next time, take care and God bless. Bye, guys. Oops.
That we were on the same page, 'cause you just